Hello, dear viewers, you're welcome to today's class. So, my class today is for the students in JSS3 who will be preparing for the Basic Education Certificate Examination, which is known as Bece. So, in preparation for the exam this year, um, we shall be solving some past questions in mathematics. So, today we shall be looking at question number 1 to number 5 of Basic 2021. So let's begin. Question 1 says, what is the place value of 7 in the number 2376400? So this is place value. We all know what place values are, right? Where we have the hundred, the tens, and the units. So what we need to do is to bring out the figures and place the values on each figure. So this is hundred, this is tens, this is units. The next three numbers is going to give us is going to be in thousand. So this is hundred of thousand, this is tens of thousand, and this is units of thousand. So we are asked to find the place value of this number 7 here. So this is going to be 7, that is tens of thousand. This is going to be 70000. So this is 70000. So looking at the option, the correct answer is option D. Okay, so the place value of 7 here is that is 70,000. Okay, so moving on, that question 2, it says round off 0.004365 correct to two significant figures. So let's solve this. This is 0.004365. So to two significant figures, so we start counting from the non-zero numbers, which start from 4. So here we have 1, 2. So we're going to stop at the figure 3. So the number after 3 is 6. When you're rounding off, we round down from 0 to 4, and we round up from 5 to 9. So when we're rounding up, it means we add plus 1 to the number close to it. So this 6 now is between these figures here. So here is going to, so we are going to round up this 3 here to become plus 1. So this is going to be 0.004, then 3 plus 1 here gives us 4. So the answer is going to be 0.0044, which is option D, 0.0044. Okay, number 3 says, find the square root of 144 over 256. Square root. So we all know what square root is, right? So this is the symbol for square root of 144 over 256. This is equal to, the square root is 12 all over the square root of 256 is 16. So we're going to break this down to the lowest term. The number that can go in these two numbers is 2 without a remainder. So 2 here gives us 6 and 2 here gives us 8. We break down further because this is not the lowest term. We have to break down to the lowest term. 2 here gives us 3 and 2 here gives us 4. So at the end of the day, we are left with 3 or 4 as the final answer. So the answer to this is option C, which is 3 over 4. So moving on to number 4 now, we have express 2734000 in standard form. So all we need to do is to bring out the numbers, the figures, which is 2734000. So we start counting after the first number here, which is going to be 1. We move to our right, okay? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we're going to have 2.734 times 10 raised to the power of 6. So looking at the options, the correct answer, or the correct option for this question is option D. Okay, so this is standard form. The last question, number 5, says simplify 4 whole number 1 over 6 minus 2 whole number 5 over 8. So for us to simplify this, all we need to do is to change these mixed numbers to improper fraction. And this is going to be 4 times 6 plus 1 all over 6 minus, here we have 2 times 8 plus 5 all over 8. So 4 times 6 gives us 24. That is plus 1. This one here all over 6 minus 2 times 8 gives us 16 plus 5 all over 8. So simplifying further, we have 24 plus 1 gives us 25 all over 6 minus 16 plus 5 gives us what? 21 over 8. So from here, when you have two fractions and you have a plus or minus in between the two fractions, I always advise my students, just go straight to the LCM. You pick the LCM, okay? So the LCM of 6 and 8 For the benefit of those who might not know the LCM of 6 and 8, so the smallest number that can go here is 2. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 3 can go here, 1. 3 can go in 4, bring down the 4 here, right? So 4 can go here, here we have 1, 1. So we are left with 2 times 3 times 4, and this gives us what? 24. So the LCM is 24. So here we have 24 divided by 6 gives us 4. 4 times 25 is 100 minus 24 divided by 8 is 3, and 3 times 21 gives us 63. So at the end of the day, we have 100 minus 63, plus 37 over 24. So this is an improper fraction. We can take it to a mixed number, which is going to be one whole number, 13 over 24 as the final answer. So looking at the options, the correct answer is going to be option C, one whole number, 13 over 24. So we will see you in our next class as we continue with the series for Bece 2021 past question. Thank you for watching and bye for now.